Hi guys, good morning! Happy Sunday! And it's 9 a.m. here. Good morning mga girls! Ayan, oh, hey! Hi Jim! Ayan. Mabito ka maghubo, okay? Ayan guys, happy Sunday and it's... Hi, Sisibel!
Hi, live yan?
Yan, we are here in Azure. Ano, ito yung mga vitamin gagay. Ang liit, ang kuan pa. Katag pa kayo. And yeah, guys, punta tayo, may terrace dito guys. And ayan ba, diba? May terrace dito guys. Dito yung terrace nila. And this is it. Ayan guys. Wait lang. Ayan. This is it. Ayan ang... We are here in Miami Building. Ayan, ito yung view sa ibaba. May pool din pala dito. So aside sa ano guys, yung wave pool, meron din palang pool dito sa ibaba. Ayan. So ayan lang. Nag-init si madam. Okay, magkape na mi guys. Ayan. Hi guys! Let's have coffee. Ayan, ito yung coffee namin with say hi.
Hi! Hoy, atubang.
Ayan. So guys, nagkape kami ngayon and later magsiswimming kami. Ano nangyari sa'yo, Sisibel? Let's have coffee.
Kuko sa dito ka. Ay, naglingkod naman buti.
So hi guys! Good noon! Ayan, we are here at swimming pool. Ano ba yan, diba? Nag-red-red. Nag-red-red kami, diba? Hi! Oh my God. As a Sisibel as well. Ayan, nandito
24
kami.
hours na si Rina.
Nandito kami ngayon sa,
Oo, sa Azure.
Azure. Once in a lifetime. So, what's in yung ano niyo?
May sinabnumon.
Blue moon. Minsan nandito kayo, sulitin na natin habang alam mo sa din. Naday, may mga, ay, kung ano sila?
Ay, factory, no? Dili siya.
Sige po. Eh, man ko walang cross. Ay, doon na sa baba, oh. Gani, hi guys! Nandito kami sa labas. At close na pala yung swimming pool ngayon. So, mag-aantay kami mamaya lang. Alas 2 daw mag-resume yung ano na wave pool. Kaya, ayan guys, we are here. And, libot-libot na lang kami sa maglibot-libot na lang kami sa around this area kasi pero gyapon tao, diba? Oh, yung beauty ni mo dai. Diba dai? Oh. Oh, read lips. Ikaw pa diba mo tao? Uy. Namo. Guys, maghanap kami ng pagkain. Pagkainan ngayon kung saan kami pwedeng kakain because it's already 12 p.m. here, lunchtime. So, ayan. Yeah guys, ang sobrang init. Punta kami dito sa swimming pool but mamaya na kasi closed daw. So, See you later. Hi guys. See you later. You guys are here. Another kuan na sa lagi. Alas 2 na hapit na magkuan. Ay,
Hindi na ko mag-swimming, huli na lagi. Kaya ako kuha na ni kasi kaya ati wala pa kay nakawala ka kay karon ako ano na ako mag-play ng swimming.
we're back here again in
Lagi
Azor.
sa mula ka wala yung kuha na mo ko.
We have here swimming pool.
Another swimming pool.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Guys, pauwi na kami at tumal kami dito sa Dunkin's. So, yun na lang. Kami na lang dalawa. So, muna na yung dalawa. Thank you sa panding donut. Ayan. See you guys. Bye-bye.